Hi everyone! Come with us to our first pickleball training. Leaving the condo at oras na?
At 3:50.
With mommy.
Yes.
Who's our coach?
Sis Blaze Bavit.
Almost there. Chare.
Yeah, that's at the Central, Jealous Cafe, and then Lenovo.
So
One corporation.
let them know all the details. What
Yeah.
time does it open?
Yeah, it's 24 hours.
Okay. Okay.
24/7.
And then a tip para makakuha kayo ng slot.
So you have to book on their site, website. Page book.
On their
Page.
Facebook page.
Yeah.
And you have to book early kasi punuan yung slots. And para kung gusto nyo matagal kayong makapaglaro, kailangan mag-book kayo ng morning. Kasi kapag ganitong time na
Wala na.
3 onwards, mahirap nang mag-book kasi puno na.
Yes.
It's the peak time. We booked a court for 2 hours. So, tara, pasok tayo.
Yeah.
Ayan na ho si
You need
Mami.
to do stretching before you do the pickleball.
Okay. At the start, we did an orientation. So, inintroduce ni coach yung sarili niya and we introduced ourselves. And she oriented us kung paano yung mangyayari sa training. The second part is we did a practice game to see our level of play. And then the third part, we did basics training. So, yung posture, yung tamang pag-forehand, and positioning sa court. And we did some drills. Ito yung dink and volley. Hindi ako marunong talaga at the start kasi first time. So, you can see here na awkward pa. Hindi pa maganda yung galaw ko or hindi lang ako talaga sanay magpa-coach. Lol. This is how you do it wrong, guys. So, don't copy me. And ito naman yung backhand na hirap kami nung una pero madali lang pala talaga siya. We also did some drills. So yan, partner ulit kami ni Mami Teo. Marunong na medyo sa dinks pero yung volley hirap pa kami kasi kailangan mabilis yung reflexes mo. It can be practiced and developed over time naman. And pickleball pala, it's not about power. You have to be patient din kasi kailangan mong malaman kung paano yung tira mo dun sa bola. Kung soft lang ba or hard, when will you attack, when will you defend. And these are more drills. So, iniisa-isa talaga kami. Pinapa-line up kami ni coach tapos yan, babatuhan niya kami ng bola and kailangan namin ma-execute yung tinuro niya. We were also taught how to serve. Actually, maraming ways to serve. Pero sabi ni coach, kailangan at least 3 marunong ka. And you can make it your own. Sanayan lang. Yun lang kailangan talaga pag tumira ka ng serve below the waist for it to be legal. Hindi ako marunong sa tamang angle dyan. Kaya tinuruan ako ni coach kung paano. Pero yung underhand yata, yun yung pinakamadali. I'm just not sure kung tama yung term. Hehe. At after ilang trials, pumasok din sa tamang court, lol. So, ito yung last part. We did some games. Practice game lang. Umayos naman yung place namin. Yun lang talaga, sa sobrang technical niya, parang nakalimutan mo nang mag-enjoy din. Pero you have to follow the rules. We're done with the training. How's the experience?
I'm tired. Tiring, but it's nice. Wow! Love it! Wow!
I just realized na baka hindi pala talaga ako pang pickleball. Yun yung realization ko. Baka talaga I'm not meant to be an athlete.
Wow!
Baka hanggang formal lang ako for an
Meron pala
athlete.
sa'yong regalo sa'yo.
Ay, hindi ko nabigay. Ayan. Guys, binilhan ko sila ng regalo sa Makati. This one is for Tita Dana. No, that's not hers.
Sa akin pala yun.
Kay mama yan. Ito yung kay Tita Dana. Malapit na ang tumagos sa pader. Para talaga sa kanya yan. Kaya ako binili. So, this is for
I
you.
love it. Ako ito.
That is a coaster. Yan
Ito naman ay bawal.
Pwedeng mapagod.
Ito naman kay Tita SL.
Bawal urgent. Yung sa akin, ang sa akin naman, allergic sa tanga. Ayun, yun po ang mga ano. Pero aaminin ko, syusyunga-syunga ako sa pickleball.